Welcome viewer. This video tutorial describes Windows camera frame server using high CPU RAM fix for Windows 10, 11. First method is rollback camera driver. Second method is update camera driver. Third method is change accessibility option. Fourth method is system restore. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.